These are the value window functions, and here I specify this is the product ID, the category, year, total sales, and here I give the lag window function. The lag window function will give me the previous value, and for the first record there is no previous value, and so it is null. For the second row, 3000 is the previous value. This 7000 comes over here, 10,000 comes over here, 6000 comes over here. The reverse goes for lead. In lead, the last record in the partition will have null. This value, that is, will come for this record. So it shows me what is the next year sales. This shows me the previous year sales. So here 7100. This is 10,000. This is 6,000. Null, and so on. First year sales basically gives me the first value in that partition. First value total sales over partition by category, order by year. So it shows me the first value in this partition. Last value shows me, this is the null value, so it shows me null as the result for all. Now one important thing is, last value will not work. Like, let's say if I just give it normally, here what it has done is, here it has considered order by framing also, as you can see. So here 3000 is the only one, that is 2021. Here this is one window that it takes, so it considers the value, last value is 10,000. Here it takes 2023, so it takes null as the last value. Similarly, if I take 2022, here it takes this as one window, so it takes 6200 as the last value. For last value to work normally, I need to specify rows between unbounded preceding and unbounded following. That is, consider all the rows in that partition. So the default behavior of last value is slightly different. And if I give rows between unbounded preceding and unbounded following, then it shows me the correct result. So the last value usually doesn't work as expected. Last value usually works like from the start of the partition up to the current row. So here by default it will look within that limited frame only, and last there means to the last row in the current frame, and so we need to expand the frame, which we do it by specifying all the rows in that partition by default.